welcome to another vlog. I'm Shiwa. This vlog is it's a weekend vlog. I'm just going to be vlogging my weekend. Today is Friday, and yeah, so I'm starting the vlog today because if I don't start now, I may end up procrastinating tomorrow and saying, oh, I'll vlog another weekend till I don't have any free time anymore. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be like leaving the house like really early, maybe by 9, because I want to follow my mom because she's also going out because I don't want to pay both money. So yes, I wanted to unbox packages I got from Jumia with you guys, but I got curious. Like I started feeling this one. I'm like, is this what I ordered? This is what I ordered. I started mixing. There's it called crocheting. Anyone shall, but using this type of pins. And I got this because it has this stuff that keeps it together. So I was like, oh, I won't be able to lose it. I didn't expect it to be this short, but like I'll work my way around it. I don't have a choice. I got a mic finally. I decided to beg my mom to get me a mic, and she did. So we're just going to unbox it together. I also got like press-ons. I want to use one tomorrow, but I don't know which one to get. To use. It's probably going to be this one. There's a short one, but I don't know. I'll decide later. First, let's unbox this baby. So let's do this shit together. Ta-da! I have to test this thing out to be sure that it works. Let me test it out. Let me put it on my phone like right now. But I don't know. Am I supposed to charge it first? Will anything happen if I don't charge it? It's not like it's power bank now, so it's supposed to work. I don't understand. Is there a what's it called? What's that thing called again? Manual. There's actually a manual inside, but it's hard to take it out. Okay, yeah, there's a manual, and there's a cute little box. I think, yeah, this is definitely a charger. Oh, this box is so cute. Like, why did they have to package it like this? Like, I'm not complaining, but like, it's so pretty. Okay, I think this is just the charger. I don't know. Give me my thing. Oh, the feeling of like unboxing something new. I'm in love. I love it. Like, I like getting new stuff. I like unboxing. It's actually two user or whatever. Let's try it out. Let me see if it works. That's my sister's handle. She refused to leave this place. I know this is giving push girl, but I've been unable to figure out how to use this. So I'm going to figure it out later. Maybe I'll give it to my brother to help me, because I've read this thing 3 times and there's no progress. I cannot kill myself. I'll just wait and show it to my brother, and if he can do it, that would just be great. But for now, I don't know. Guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, and today I and my friend actually planned to go somewhere, but we changed our mind and we're going to Wonderland now. And I think her friend is coming too, but I'm not so sure. I think it's going to be really fun. So yeah, I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. See you guys later. I want to go and eat. I'm hungry, and do some other things. Yeah, I think I want to eat noodles, so let's just go and do that. My eggs don't warm. Hey God. Abuja weather is so annoying. Like the weather will literally scare you, like not to come out of your house. Like you'll be so afraid and be like, oh, you're not going to come out, and it will now not end up raining. Like now we don't even know if it's going to rain or not.
No, I don't look tall. I look tall. Like, it's my real height in real life. In real life. That's what I need to see. Let me see. It's fine, bro. I know you don't want to do my edges, but I have to.
This one I better do I know get time.
Like childhood memory.
I know, right? So this goose. Oh, they're not street. Ah,
I didn't even know safe.
like I never knew they had this place or in Wonderland.
Do you understand?
Yeah,